generation to generation. Jah blessings carry on. Peace in my bloodline. Yeah, from the day I was born, mama whisper in my ear, hold the light inside you, never bow down to fear. So I walk with the spirit, let the truth be my guide. Righteous river flowing like the ocean tide. Babylon try pressure man, but I stay aligned, cause the love of Jah live deep in my mind. Every trial, every storm, every mountain I climb, show me strength from the roots of a holy design. So I rise with the morning sun, give thanks for another one. No chains on my soul, no hate in my drum, only love when the heartbeat come. Peace in my bloodline, running through the vine. Ancestors chanting, everything will be fine. Blessings in my heartbeat, flowing divine. Jah love forever and the spirit still shine. Peace in my bloodline, yeah. Peace in my bloodline, oh. Peace in my bloodline. Soldier of faith, stand tall, never fall, even under the weight. He said carry love forward, never carry no hate, for the seeds that you plant beside the life you create. So I walk in humility, stand firm in unity, spread light in our community, uplift humanity. Every step that I trod, every word that I speak is for the youth growing strong for the future we see. So I rise with the morning sun, give thanks for another one. No chains on my soul, no hate in my drum, only love when the heartbeat come. Peace in my bloodline, running through the vine. Ancestors chanting, everything will be fine. Blessings in my heartbeat, flowing divine. Jah love forever and the spirit still shine. Peace in my bloodline, yeah. Peace in my bloodline, oh. Peace in my bloodline. Torch of the warrior's past, fire of wisdom built to last. To the rhythm of life I move steadfast. Freedom in my spirit, never outcast. Let the drum beat heal the hurt, let the bassline shake the dirt. Let the youth rise from the earth, know their soul have holy word. Peace in the lineage, calm in the rage, turn the pain of the past into a brand new page. I chant for the future, chant for the age where love rule the nation and wisdom engage. Oh Jah, keep it flowing, generation after generation. Let love lead the nation. Peace, peace, peace in my bloodline. Respect to the elders who never let love die. From the roots of creation to the day that I fly, I will spread Jah vibration till the river run dry. Teach the youths to be humble but strong in their stand. Love the world, love themselves, love the works of Jah. And this is more than a story, more than rhythm and rhyme. It's the healing of a nation through the passage of time. Peace in my bloodline, running through the vine. Ancestors chanting, everything will be fine. Blessings in my heartbeat, flowing divine. Jah love forever and the spirit still shine. Peace in my bloodline, mercy in my line. Wisdom of the elders forever combined. Hope in my future, roots so refined. Jah light forever, guiding my